Stay down.
I request a conference!
Hold.
Elisa, I only wish to converse with you. I promise no one has to get hurt if you just have a brief discussion of terms.
What are your terms?
Oh, Captain Buck, is that you? You still alive? I heard you died some years ago.
Shouldn't believe in rumors, Hernando.
I was hopeful they were true.
Sorry to disappoint. I saw you dead. How'd you get out of that one?
Wasn't my time. No place in the afterlife for me. Hell just spat me back out. Devil said he didn't want me.
Well, I'm sure he does now. I'd be obliged to be able to send you back there.
When it is time, I will let you know, Captain Buck, if you're still alive.
What are your terms?
The terms are for Elisa. She talks or you all die.
You've never kept your terms before. Why should we trust you now?
That's not true, Captain Buck. I kept them at least once, I think. Now I want to talk to Elisa. The longer I have to wait, the less gracious I will be with my terms.
You've never been gracious a day in your life, Hernando. What do you want?
Elisa Jackson. Thorn of the desert and thorn of my flesh. You know what I want.
That's not possible. It's not here.
Oh, but it is. I've watched it for the last half hour.
What? How could you know? It's not possible. What are your terms?
You and what belongs to me. 24 hours right here or everyone dies.
These terms are unreasonable, sir. We would like to counter.
And who are you?
Jack Moore, mayor of this town.
I don't remember you, Jack Moore. How long have you been mayor?
10 years, sir.
10 years. Good for you, Mr. Mayor. 10 years is long enough term for any man. What you guys think?
Yeah!
Your tenure, sir, is terminated. 24 hours, Elisa. 24 hours.